Hello everyone, this is Nora and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, my hands are like super dry. I just put cream on and they're still super dry. Today's video, as you guys could see from the title, it's another contact lenses review for you guys. I think my channel is gonna become the contact lenses review girl here on YouTube. I guess my videos are doing well. Contact lenses reviews are doing well, but I have a lot of companies that contact me to review their contact lenses, and honestly, like, they're fun. I love contact lenses, as you guys all know. I love wearing them too, but I feel like it's a bit too much. So sometimes I do reply back, sometimes I just pass it. Because I just don't want my channel to become just contact lenses reviews. You know, my thing is show and teach makeup tutorials, and I kind of want to keep that, but I also love reviewing products and stuff, so we'll see. I really liked this brand a lot. They contacted me, I checked out their stuff. They have a lot of cool contact lenses. They have wearable ones, they also have Halloween ones if you are interested. Their packaging for me is A1, so I'm really excited to show you guys all the styles that they have sent me. Before I go ahead and show you guys the colors and the styles that they sent me, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my videos. It really means a lot to me, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys would like to discover the colors and styles that they have sent me, let's go ahead and change our eyeball colors. Alrighty, I think this is the first time you guys see me with this kind of makeup. This is literally my everyday work makeup. I just finished work. It's on a Monday. I normally film on weekends. My weekend was insane. I didn't really get the chance to sit down and film for you guys, so I'm doing it on Monday. So this is kind of like end of the day makeup, and I didn't freshen it up. I'm just really tired to do so. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the review for you guys. So this is a company called Unibling, and it looks like this. Hopefully you guys could see it, but I have to say that the packaging is super cute. It's just holographic with the butterflies, the evil eyes on there too, which is really cute. And I just love their packaging overall. They all have the same packaging. They sent me 4 colors to review, and I'm quite excited. So they asked if they would like to send me their popular colors, but they also asked that I can choose 2 colors that I want, and they can send me 2 colors of their choice. All the colors that I have received, they are amazing. So the first one here, this is the fizzy browns. I put it in this little container, and I just put, like, I wrote down the name here because at this point I have a lot of contact lenses and I kind of mixed them up at this point. So I decided to just write it down with a Sharpie. And also I have them sitting in my contact lenses solution. If you guys are wondering which one this is, I just got this from the pharmacy, just a Life brand, and this is a lens care solution that I really like, and it's not too expensive. These containers comes with the boxes, which is great. You guys all know that I love these. And they also sent me this, which is the first time I see this. They also sent me this extra container, contact lens container, that actually has 2, that you can put like 2 pairs in here, which is great if you are traveling and you want to take more than 1 color with you. I really like this. The first time I see this, I don't have anything in here. It's just gonna be extra. You know, I have some companies that send me contact lenses that they don't have these necessary in their stuff, so I'm glad that, you know, I have some extra. And this container comes with their tweezer, which is my favorite tool. And they also have the eyeball poker. This is what I call it, but it looks like that too, so this comes with it. I see a lot of people like using this to put on the contact lenses. Honestly, this just terrifies me, and I choose to just apply them with my fingers. But knowing that these come with the container, it is always a plus. And whoa, and this is how it looks like. I also like the color. Really random, but I really like the color. So let's go ahead and show you guys. This is the first color, and this is called Fizzy Browns. I also have Fizzy Blue. that I'm gonna show you. So they're kind of both the same style, but just the color is a bit different. And this one here is really, really interesting. It does have like a bronzy color to it. Hopefully you guys don't see my dry hands, but this has kind of like a bronzy tone. The rim is kind of like a dark brown hazily. It's a bit greenish too, which is really interesting. And then you have like orange tone, green tones in it, which is super, super pretty. So I normally just take it with my finger and I pop that on my eyes. I do apologize for my uneven makeup right now. This is the Fizzy Browns. I don't really see a difference with eye colors initially, but it's definitely a bit lighter than my actual eye color. This is my real eye color. This is the contact lens. This is why I really like it, because it does make your eye look bigger because of the darker rim, so it kind of gives you the illusion of bigger eyes. But this is how the color looks like, and comparing it to the other one, it's quite natural. And I have to say that the contact lens is really, really thin. I definitely feel like I have nothing on, which is great. And again, there's like no tunnel vision in this one, if you guys are wondering. So the second one is on, and I have to say I do like it, but I'm not really a fan of it because I find it very close to my natural eye color. Normally when I put a contact lenses on, I prefer it to be like a different color than brown. I do like brown shades, but I would like it more kind of like a honey-ish, like lighter brown kind of shade that it can be different. But overall, this is a pretty color. It's not my favorite, to be honest, but overall, if you do like brown contact lenses, then this one is the perfect one for you. So I'll go ahead and put a picture of it so you guys could see it more in details. I'm just gonna keep the camera zoomed in for the next color. This is kind of like the same style, but it's called Fizzy Blue. So it is a blue toned color. Looking at it in the container, it's kind of like a grayish blue, to be honest. It's a little hint of gray in here. It also has the dark rim, which will definitely make your eye look bigger. So this is how it looks like. It does have like the darker rim. So this is the blue one here, and you can definitely see that it does cover up the dark eyes. So if you naturally have dark eyes, this will cover it up. And it's also really natural. It's crazy how they feel in the eye. It definitely feels like I have nothing on. Some contact lenses, you feel that you have something in, but this one is so thin, and it just really gives you like a supernatural look. And I really like it. Again, no tunnel vision in this one. I really like the color. It's not personally a color that I would choose, to be honest, but it is a nice natural blue color if you like this kind of tone. So this is the blue one, and it is really pretty. It kind of reminds me a lot of kind of like cosplay, but it's super cute. It's a really nice blue color. I'm just gonna, hopefully my camera is gonna focus for you guys so you guys could see it a little bit better. But this is how the blue color looks like, and honestly, after having both in, I really like it. It's a really pretty color. So I'll go ahead and put a picture of it so you guys could see it more in details. Alrighty guys, next color is actually a color that you saw me wear in my previous tutorial with all that graphic liner. If you guys missed it, it will be at the end of this video. But I did wear these contact lenses in that video, and I really like this one. I do have the same style but in green that I'll be trying on next. This one here is called Ocean Gray, but I really like it because the rim is clear. So the rim is quite clear, and in the middle it has like little tiny black dots all over. My camera is not really gonna zoom in to show you the details, but hopefully you'll get to see it a little bit on my eyes. So let's go ahead and pop this on. And this is how ocean gray looks like. I honestly really like the clear rim. I just feel like because it gives you more of a natural look, and also this color is just insane. I love it. It gives me Billie Eilish vibes, and I absolutely love this kind of color. It kind of looks creepy because I only have one on, but then when I have both on, it looks a little bit less creepy, I find. But you guys could definitely see how dark my natural eye is, and how this completely illuminated the darkness, which is so cool. I feel like I have to say the style is my favorite one. All right, so this is ocean gray. Hopefully my camera will be able to focus so you guys could see the colors. I know the little black dots, you can't really see them that well on camera. Hopefully you get to see them a little bit better on the picture, but overall, like, these are so pretty. I'm just gonna show you again how dark my eye is and how this is. Look at the difference. So I'll go ahead and put the picture for this style, and hopefully you guys could see them more in detail. Alrighty, last but not least, these are the same ones, but they are in green, and I honestly really like this green. To be honest, it's kind of like a creepy neon-ish kind of green, and I know this is gonna give me total creepy eyes, and I'm so down with that. So this is the green one. So as you guys can see, it is a lighter green. Again, the rim is quite transparent, and it also has that little black dots on it, as you guys saw in the picture with the gray ones. It kind of has the same style as the green one too. So let's go ahead and pop on the green ones. Okay, I honestly thought it would be way more vibrant than what it is. I guess because of my eyes is a bit too dark, so it kind of like muted out the green. I mean, you can still see the green, but it's not as vibrant as I wanted it to look like. So this one is kind of like a disappointment for me. When I'm doing reviews, you guys, I'm 100% honest with you guys. I mean, if you like a green tone that is more natural, then this is absolutely perfect, which I also kind of really like, but I would have wished that it was like a bit more vibrant. I didn't expect it to look like that on my eyes. I was kind of like expecting it to be as bright as the gray ones. Overall, it is a nice color. It's a beautiful natural green color. Honestly, I do like it. The more I look at it, the more I'm actually really liking it. So let's go ahead and put the second one on, and I'll give you kind of like my overall honesty about this color. Okay, so this is the green one. Honestly, it's really not that bad. I really do like it. Just because it's kind of like natural looking, and I think with like kind of like a pinky purpley eye makeup will look really, really nice. It blends really well with my natural eye color too, I guess because my eye color kind of like muted it down a little bit. I'll just put a picture of it so you guys can see it more in details. Alrighty guys, I decided to keep the green one on just to finish up this review for you guys. Like always, I'm gonna be linking all the colors and styles in the description box down below for you guys. You can go ahead and check it out. Also, the discount code and also their website is also going to be linked in the description box down below for you guys. I really, really like these contact lenses just because they're really natural and they're really thin, and they're just really pretty. So if you are interested in any of the colors, make sure that you check out their website, and also if you have any comments or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below. I try to answer each and one of you guys when I have the chance. I know a lot of comments are gonna be like, do they ship internationally, and how long does the shipment take? It all depends where you live, to be honest, but I guess shipping is around 2 weeks, which is the average shipping time for most contact lenses reviews that I've done. So it's always kind of like a 2-week thing, but again, it all depends where you live. I kind of read everybody's mind because it's kind of like the main asked questions in my review videos is like, how long does it take to receive it. But if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact Unibling. Their customer service is really good, or you can just leave them all in the comments down below and I'll try my best to answer each and one of you guys. Just to let you guys know, the upcoming few weeks I'm not going to be posting that much because first I am going on kind of like a weekend holiday, so I won't be around to film a tutorial, and also we are painting our house, so that's gonna take a lot of maintenance to kind of work around the house, and yeah, that's gonna take a lot of my time. So if I don't post for the upcoming 2 weeks, this is why. I'll be just really busy with my personal life. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Take it easy, stay healthy, because COVID is kind of like hit rockets again. Like, just be careful, and I kind of feel that I might be falling into it again. Hopefully not. I'm still negative, so it's all good. I love you guys so much. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.